So I've been working on this one for a couple hours now, and it's nail heads that have been tied with string. So here's the other side. So you can see the nails. You have to be kind of careful putting it into the vat because it's sharp. So here it is. It's all dyed and it's been curing for a few days, and I just took out one of the nails and you can see how it turned out. So imagine the whole thing like this. I'm really pleased with the results. I think that the resist is a lot stronger than I thought it would be. So that's awesome. I think the key is just using a lot of string. So anyway, I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's all untied. Here's the nail head Shibori. It's all untied and it turned out so nice. You can see what it looks like when it's flat. So after I wash it, all of these are gonna flatten. But for now, they're kind of like crunchy and pleated. So it kind of has like a really cool look to it. But it'll look different once it's washed.